A very good morning, students. I am Shankhu sir. So, today I am just going to explain you about the first chapter, the computer software. So, let us go through it. What is a computer software? First, we have to know computer software. But before knowing computer software, we know, as you have all learned in the previous class, that the main two components of a computer is hardware and software. The computer system has two main components, the hardware and the software. What is the hardware? Hardware is the physical component of the system. Hardware is the physical component of the system. What does it means? What does physical component of a system means? Physical component of a system means the things which we can see, the things which we can see, like mouse, keyboard, CPU. But what is software? Software is nothing but a set of programs. Software is nothing but a set of programs. So, what is this? A program is a set of instructions that tells a computer to perform tasks. Means what? There is hardware, there is software. This both depends on each other. Without dependence, without software, computer cannot work, and without hardware, computer doesn't exist. Right? Without hardware, computer doesn't, there is no existence of a computer, and without software, no hardware can run. To run a hardware, we have a set of programs made by programmers. You all know the difference between a program and a programmer. A set of programs is called a software. So, for what are the types of softwares? As we know, there is hardware and there is software. Hardwares are this mouse, keyboard, CPU. The things which we can touch and feel are the hardware. But what about the software? The software is the types of software are the application software and the system software. The application software and the system software. The most important thing we have to learn, first we are going to the system software. System software is what? See, this is the classification of a software. Software, under the software there is the system software, under that there is the application software. Now after that we will come to more differentiables and all. So first learn that there is a system software, there is the application software. So first I am going to application software, I am going to afterwards. First I am going to the system software. See, a system software is the type of software that helps the computer to run. It means the operating system. System software are the operating systems. Like when we open a computer, you have seen there is Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, and previously we have seen Windows XP. When a computer opens, we see that is the operating system. Means through that software, that is the software. Through that software, we can run the computer. Through that we can run the computer. There are many other also, that like Linux is there, Unix is there, that we will discuss later. But without system software we cannot run a computer. So there are language processors, there are utility programs. Like for example, when we open a computer, you will see that Windows 10 is opening. After that you will find some inbuilt games in it. You will find some inbuilt games, you will find some inbuilt softwares in it, inbuilt apps in it, right? For example, like calculator is there in computer. It means what? We can calculate anything whichever possible. So the system software is the most important software through which we can run a computer, through which we can run a computer. And can you say what is the system software? What is the system software in a mobile? A system software in a mobile A system software in a mobile is like we all have Android phones, iOS and everything, right? So Android phone, iOS, what are these? Android, iOS, previously many things are there, but we all know about iOS. Apple system software is the iOS, and for Android phones it is the Android is a system software through which we can run the mobile, right? So see, without the help of software it is impossible to run a system. And after that we learned about the system software, and then we come to this application software are what? There are the softwares we which we need for some reasons, for some general purposes. The softwares which need for some general purposes. For example, if we open a computer, you will see MS Word. We have to install MS Word. So as we install, or sometimes it is already there, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, but we can uninstall it. If we don't need, we can uninstall it. But in computer there is Notepad, there is WordPad. We cannot uninstall it. In computer there is Notepad, WordPad. We cannot uninstall it. Why we cannot uninstall it? Because Notepad, WordPad, these are the part of system software. But MS Word, MS PowerPoint, we can uninstall it. We can remove it from the computer. Why? Because it is a part of the application software. It is a part of the application software. So there is the ready-made under application software, there is the ready-made software and the customized or tailor-made software. We will go through later, but think that what is the application software and system software. Application software, like for example, we have to type something and all. Where we will type? In the application software we will type. Understood? So go through it. If any problem is there, I will prepare a small note on it. I will provide you with that small note. If you have any problem, I will definitely tell you any other things. Go through it, go through these videos and all properly. If any problem you have, you just consult me. You just give at the time of doubt clearing classes, you just tell me, sir, I have this problems and all. Thank you, students. Hope you liked it. Properly study. Don't waste your time. Thank you so much.